The sum of two numbers is 16 and their difference is 4. What is their product? So dito hindi na tayo gagamit ng elimination na method. So magsho-shortcut na lang tayo. So ang shortcut nito, i-add lang natin yung 16 at saka yung 4. So yan yung given natin na sum at saka difference nila. So i-add natin yan, 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Tapos i-divide lang natin sa 2. So divide natin sa 2 is equal to 10. So ito na kaagad yung larger number natin. So kung ito yung larger number natin, so kung meron silang difference na 4, so i-subtract natin yung 4 is equal to 6. So ibig sabihin, ito na yung smaller number natin, yung 6. So 6 at saka 10, yung dalawang number na hinahanap natin. So 10 at saka 6. Kapag pinag-add mo yan is equal to 16 at kapag pinag-subtract mo naman is equal to 4 at kapag minultiply naman natin 10 times 6 is equal to 60. So letter C yung sagot natin, 60.